In this video, I'll guide you through how to automatically email reports in Salesforce. This can be a real game changer, especially if you need to keep your team or stakeholders updated without manually sending out reports every time. So let's dive right in and make this process seamless for you. First, we need to start by navigating to the Reports tab in your Salesforce dashboard. If you're familiar with Salesforce, you know that the Reports tab is your go-to place for generating insights and analyzing data. Once you're there, take a moment to locate and open the specific report that you want to automate. This report is the one you'll be setting up to email automatically, so make sure it's the correct one. Now, with your report open, look for the Subscribe button. It's typically located in the top right corner of your toolbar. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's tucked away and you'll need to click the drop-down arrow next to the Edit button to reveal it. Go ahead and click on Subscribe. This is your gateway to setting up an automated schedule for your report. Once you've hit Subscribe, you'll see options for setting your automated schedule. This is where you get to decide how often and when you want the report to be sent out. You might want it to go out daily, weekly, or perhaps monthly, depending on your needs. Maybe you want it to arrive first thing in the morning to start the day off with fresh data, or perhaps you prefer it to be sent at the end of the day for a recap. Take a moment here to think about what makes the most sense for your workflow and the recipients of the report. After you've set your schedule, take a moment to review your choices. Ensure everything looks good and aligns with what you need. Once you're satisfied, you'll want to save your settings. This is an important step as it finalizes the automation process and ensures your report will be sent out according to the schedule you've specified. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Salesforce report to be emailed automatically. This will not only save you time, but also ensure that important information is consistently shared with those who need it. Remember, if you ever need to tweak the schedule or change the report, you can always go back and adjust the settings. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your reporting tasks a little bit easier. Automating reports can greatly enhance productivity and keep everyone in the loop with minimal effort. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the Salesforce help resources or reach out to your Salesforce administrator. Thanks for watching and happy automating.